just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my little desk setup here because I feel like I've perfected it, critiqued it, made it the way that is productive for me, especially getting online classes done. That is what today's video is going to be. So I'm just going to take you step by step, the items that are on my desk, anything that I feel like is important and that I can find. I'll link down below, that way you can purchase these items. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and check out my desk. With this desk space, it's able to extend out this far. It is the Ukiyo Mall. It comes with this like little L shape. I am able to have these huge work computers right here, these two huge monitors. Over here in the corner, I like to have my little water bottle, if you will, with my water that I drink in my little desk area. So that's normally where it sits. My iPad just kind of sits right here diagonally. And then I have my little adapter situation for all my work things, thus all the wires back there, my work laptop, and some other items underneath here. Now moving on to the bookshelf portion, which goes pretty high up, and this is kind of where most of my productivity lives, if you will. So I have right here just the MacBook because I tend to do a lot of my typing and all that just sitting right here. Next to it we have this little wireless mouse. Let's go ahead and get started with this first little shelf here. So I have all of my pencils, my little Apple pencil, some scissors, just all my writing utensils, and this pencil cup here. I got it from the dollar store. It was easy, it was gray, it matches my decor. I have looped right here, as you can see, this wire is for the MacBook, so I just loop it down there, and there's an extension cord. But let's move along to this next shelf because this is kind of the school shelf. So within this shelf I have my calculator, some blue light glasses, I have an accounting calculator, some pens, and some sticky notes. So all that stationary calculator stuff stays over here. In the center here I have this gift that my sister Sydney actually gave me for Christmas, which is this dry erase whiteboard. I like to just write out all of my classes, when do I have them, my work schedule, and then just little things that I like to get done throughout the week. So obviously I'm filming this video as well as a few others, and then editing the video that you guys have already seen but it will be going out tomorrow, which is trying HelloFresh. So that's on my agenda for today. And I have over here just all of my books, my planner in the front here, all of the spiral notebooks that I write in for school. So all that is neatly placed over here. And then on this higher shelf we have some stuff for my work. Then we have a cute little candle for just decor purposes, and then my little task lamp where I have charger here. I usually charge up the iPad or my phone via this charger, and it has a USB that's connected at the top where it's plugged in. So yeah, that's kind of my little desk space. Sometimes I need to use that task lamp to kind of light up this area, so I would point it down, but when I'm not, I usually just have it kind of this direction, and it works out pretty well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little desk tour here. It's just really brief, but this is just the items I honestly just have on my desk, help me stay productive, stay focused, and just kind of help me be in the zone because I do spend so much time here. I spend probably an average of 8 to 10 hours a day over at this desk area. So I wanted to make sure that it was not only efficient, but also just somewhere where I can get things done, because that's the whole point of sitting at my desk, is to get whatever the task at hand is completed and done. So I think with this setup, I've definitely been able to accomplish that. I also strategically have my desk right by my window because, as we all know, I've said it 20,000 times, but I definitely love seeing the sunlight, being able to see outside that it's a pretty blue sky like it is right now, and that just keeps me going, keeps me motivated when I'm studying. If you want to rearrange your room, or maybe you want to amp up your desk space, make it more conducive for studying, these are just some things that I utilize and will again be having as much as I can linked down below. So check that out. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter so you can give your feedback on other videos and just see more of my life here in Clemson. Leave in the comments things that you suggest that I should maybe add into my desk space. I also have like a clear little desk riser. I'll pop that in right now. Here's my little clear desk riser. It's like this acrylic one that I got for like $40 or so off Amazon. I will be linking it down below. It is a bit dirty. I don't think y'all can really tell that, which is great on my end. This is what it looks like. It does, you know, take up a good amount of space, about the length of a laptop, and I like how it does give my laptop, you know, a little boost. Love that it's clear. I think it's really great, modern, would recommend. I've had it since August and it's just done me very, very well. I got that from Amazon. It'll be linked down below. I don't keep it on my desk, but sometimes if I need to have my laptop propped up a little bit higher, I will whip it out and bring it onto my desk space, but it doesn't live here full time like these other items do. That's just a little bit about me, my desk space, and how I get all of this done. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for visiting my desk. Bye guys.